Today in science, we talked about the three basic principles that scientists have observed when looking at our universe. These principles can be kind of confusing, but you are going to need to know them. So let's see if we can break them down a little bit. The first principle is simply that the universe consists of matter and energy. Those two things often interact. So basically what that means is that everything is made up of matter, and when they interact or change, you've got energy happening, all different types of energy. The second principle is that energy takes many different forms. And we talked about a few of the forms of energy in class today. We talked about kinetic energy, which is motion, potential energy, which is energy that's not in motion yet, or that takes place by the particles, the form of the particles that are inside a piece of matter. Also, forms of energy could be light or sound or electricity. There's all different ways that energy takes form. But all we really need to know for the second principle is simply energy takes many different forms. And the third one is matter is composed of specific kinds of particles. So specific particles, and of course examples of those particles are atoms and molecules, and they're arranged in a particular way. So they're in particular arrangements. That simply means that inside matter there is always particles, and those particles are arranged in a certain way.